Hi, I'm Nityasha, part of product marketing here at Splashtop. Splashtop is the remote support technology of choice that can be integrated with many leading service desk and PSA systems, allowing you to remotely connect to your end user devices without any prior installation from within your service request or ticket. This video today demonstrates how Splashtop integrates with Autotask. As you can see, this is an Autotask instance, and I have created a test ticket right here. Traditionally, service desk professionals would execute the service request or incident with the end user's help through email or phone, or physically go over to the device. These are inefficient means of handling the request. If, as a service desk professional, I'm able to remote into the user's device, I can quickly execute the needed task and close the request quickly. Splashtop offers on-demand support or SOS, which is licensed per concurrent user. Splashtop is competitively priced and provides the most value when compared to other remote support solutions. You can either try or purchase a license along with the PSA integration add-on and then set up the integration. You can visit this page here for more information. We've provided detailed step-by-step instructions. Once the setup is complete, you will be able to launch an SOS session from within your Autotask ticket through here. You click on Live Links and select Splashtop. Now let's say I want to work on this ticket and want to connect to the user's machine at the user's availability. I request the end user to go to sos.splashtop.com and download and run a small app. That gives the end user a 9-digit session code, which I will enter here. If I need additional admin privileges for activities during the remote session, I can connect as admin. For now, I just click Connect. I'm now remoted into the user's computer. This is the taskbar from where I can maximize my screen. I can switch between monitors if I'm remoted into a device with multiple monitors. I can either view the multiple monitors on my one screen or I can do multi-to-multi viewing. I can also perform these actions listed here. I can transfer files from my computer to the one I'm remoted into and vice versa. I can also just drag and drop files in between the two computers. Like so. I can also record the session and initiate a chat. Once I'm done, I simply disconnect to end the session. When I end the session details are automatically populated within the ticket. As you can see here, these are the files that we transferred during the session. In this way, you can execute service requests quickly, exceed service level agreements, and increase customer satisfaction. You can visit this website here for more information. We've given detailed instructions on the setup, the link I showed you earlier, in the support article. You can email us at sales@splashtop.com or give us a call at 408-886-7177. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Bye-bye.